Today we will be learning the excitation table of all the flip-flops. So first of all, let us see what is characteristic table or operational table and what is excitation table. We have already learned the characteristic table, so let us see the difference between the two. If it is characteristic table, or you can say the truth table, or operational table, and one is the excitation table. So if it is characteristic table, inputs are known, the combinations of inputs are known, and based on those combinations of input we are predicting the output. Outputs are predicted. Now in case of excitation table, we know the desired output. Desired outputs are known, and based on the desired output we are deciding the required inputs. So here in case of characteristic table, inputs are given, input combinations are given, and your question is the output. In case of excitation table, excitation is the input. So in case of excitation table, we know the outputs, but we need to identify the required inputs to achieve that output. So the question is our inputs. Like आपकी एग्ज़ाम में अगर आपने इतनी मेहनत की है तो क्या रिज़ल्ट आएगा, दैट इज़ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. पर मुझे इतने परसेंटेज चाहिए तो मुझे कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, दैट इज़ एक्साइटेशन. सो टुडे विल बी लर्निंग द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एज वेल एज एक्साइटेशन टेबल ऑफ ऑल द फ्लिप फ्लॉप्स, एंड दैट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. सो विल बी डूइंग दैट. So let us start with SR flip-flop. We know the characteristic table of SR. S and R are given. Present input is Q of n. Next output is Q at n plus 1. Present output is Q of n and next output is Q of n plus 1. These many combinations are possible, so I am writing rapidly. You know, these many combinations are possible. See, if both the inputs 0 and 0, S and R both are 0, then it will hold the value. So whatever the value of Q of n is there, it will be held as it is. For S equals to 0 and R equal to 0, both are inactive. Now R is active, R is active, so it will reset the output. So the output will be 0. Whatever the present condition is there, the output will be reset. Now S is active, so it will make the output 1. Whatever the present condition is there, it will ignore it. Now when both the inputs are active, 1 1, at that time which states are invalid? These combinations are invalid. So this was characteristic table of SR. We know it. Excitation table is, we know the outputs, desired outputs, and our question is deciding the inputs. So S and R will be the question. Present state of input, next state of output. S and R question. So these are our questions. So 4 combinations. If the present state is 0, present state of the output is 0 and the desired next state is also 0, then it may be because of reset and it may be because of hold. See, like this. Present state is 0. Present state of output is 0. Next state is 0. In this case also, present state is 0. The next state is 0. But this is because of hold and this is because of reset. So in that case, see the S is 0, right? In both the cases S is 0. So S will be 0. Now in one case R is 0 and in the other case R is 1. So it can be 0 or 1. So R will be either 0 or 1 and that is indicated by a cross sign. So whatever value of R is there, it doesn't matter, but S set input should be deactivated. If the set input is deactive, at that time this output will be 0. Now in second case, present state is 0. The next desired state of output is 1. So let us check from the table. So present state is 0 and next state is 1. So here is 0, next is 1. Here is 0, this is invalid, right? So it happens when my set input is 1 and reset input is 0. So this will happen when set is 1 and reset is 0. So set is 1, reset is 0. It means to set the output, we need to activate the S input. Then after 1 to 0, present state is 1, next state is 0. So let us check from this. Present state is 1. This is present state is 1. Next state is 0. तो मतलब ये कॉम्बिनेशन हुआ. प्रेजेंट स्टेट इज़ 1, नेक्स्ट स्टेट इज़ 0. सो अभी वो नहीं है. सो दैट इज़, सी हियर, it is because of 0-1 combination of input. So my S will be 0 and R will be 1. Now Q is 1 and next state is also 1. So present is 1, next is also 1. So let us check when it happens. See here, present is 1, next is 1. Similarly here, present is 1, next is 1. उसके लिए इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन कौन सा है? ये है और दूसरा ये है. नाउ जस्ट सी, R is 0 in both the cases. R is 0, so I'll be considering R as 0. Then S is 0 once and in other case S is 1. So whatever the value of S is there, it will ignore it. So this is how we can prepare the excitation table of any flip flop. This is for SR. Excitation table of SR from the characteristic table. Now we'll see the characteristic table and excitation table of D flip flop. Characteristic means we are given the input and we'll be deciding the outputs. Inputs are known and outputs are unknown. In case of excitation, desired outputs are known, desired outputs, that means outputs are known and inputs are decided. So in case of D flip flop, input is only one, which is D. We'll assume that clock is active and the output, then present state of output and next state of output. So 4 combinations. Now the input is 0, data input is 0. So in case of D flip flop, it is data flip flop. We know that it is data flip flop. So whatever is given at the input D, that will be reflected at the output in next state. So you just ignore this, present states are ignored, and this will be passed to the output. So here is characteristic table of D flip flop. Now let us design excitation table in which present states and next states are known, and we are deciding the input D. So again, for combinations, see, present state is 0, next state is 0. Now we know that in D flip flop, whatever we want to have at the output, we need to give it as input. So the next state is this, desired state is this. So if we need to have 0 at in the next state, we need to give output as the input D as 0. If we want to have 1 in next state, then data should be 1. यही जो होगा D में, वही तो नेक्स्ट में मिलेगा. तो जो आपको नेक्स्ट में चाहिए, वही आपको इनपुट D देना पड़ेगा. So this is how we can prepare the excitation table of D flip flop. जैसी D है वैसा ही नेक्स्ट स्टेट होगा. जैसा जो D चाहिए, जो आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेट चाहिए, वही आपको D में देना पड़ेगा. Today we'll see the characteristic table and excitation table of JK flip flop. In characteristic table, inputs are known and we are deciding outputs. In excitation case, we know the output states are known, next state, next output, it is known, and we are deciding the inputs. So we'll do it for JK flip flop. Let us prepare J, K and present state of output. Then next state. 8 combinations. Now in case of JK, we know that if both the inputs J and K both are 0, the output will be 0. It will held, see, J and K both are 0, that means both the inputs are inactive, so it will hold the value of the output. So present state will be reflected as the next state. 0, the condition is hold. Again J and K both are 0, so both are inactive, the output will be held at the present value. Then here see, K input is 1, that means K input is set. K input is set, मतलब वो एक्टिव है. K एक्टिव है, उसका काम क्या है? आउटपुट को रीसेट करना. So it will reset the output. At the same time, J is 0. See, J is inactive, and K is active. K active है, मतलब वो आउटपुट को रीसेट करेगा. Then after, J is active and K is inactive, so it will set the output. Then J and K both are 1 1, that means the output will toggle. तो अभी 0 है तो नेक्स्ट में टॉगलिंग से मिलेगा 1. अगर अभी 1 है तो नेक्स्ट में टॉगलिंग से मिलेगा 0. राइट. सो दिस इज टॉगल स्टेट. दिस टू आर टॉगल स्टेट. दिस टू आर रीसेट and this is set. This two are hold. Now let us prepare the excitation table. मतलब Q of n प्रेजेंट आउटपुट पता है, Q at n plus 1 वो हमें डिज़ायर्ड जो है वो, एंड विल डिसाइड J and K बोथ. और क्लॉक तो एक्टिव है, रखनी ही पड़ेगी, वो तो हमें पता ही है. सो आई विल नॉट राइट क्लॉक राइट नाउ. 4 combinations. Now present state is 0, next desired state is also 0. Present state is 0 and the next desired state is also 0. So let us see what from this table present is 0, next is 0. तो ये एक कॉम्बिनेशन हुआ. दूसरा एक ये है प्रेजेंट 0 नेक्स्ट इज 0 और उसके अलावा और कोई कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं आ रहा. तो इसमें क्या है प्रेजेंट 0 नेक्स्ट 0 में आप देखो इन बोथ द केसेस माई j इनपुट्स आर 0. सो आई राइट j इज 0. सिर्फ यही देखना है पहले ये कॉम्बिनेशन. तो ये चलेगा उसमें राइट. इन बोथ द केसेस j इज 0 तो मैंने उसको 0 ले लिया. अब k क्या है 0 है एक में दूसरे में 1 है. सो k की कोई भी वैल्यू हो सकती है. इट कैन बी 0 इट कैन बी 1. तो वो होगा डोंट केयर मतलब क्रॉस. वो कोई भी हो सकता है. वो 0 भी हो सकता है वो 1 भी हो सकता है बट j मस्ट बी 0. नाउ प्रेजेंट इज 0 एंड नेक्स्ट इज 1. सो प्रेजेंट इज 0 और नेक्स्ट इज 1 मतलब एक ये कॉम्बिनेशन होगा. देन आफ्टर दूसरा ये है. तो एक सेट वाला कॉम्बिनेशन है दूसरा टॉगल वाला कॉम्बिनेशन है. अब इसके इनपुट्स देखो आप. दोनों में j 1 है तो दोनों में j को 1 कर दो मतलब j को 1 कर दो. अब k क्या है तो एक में k 0 है एक में 1 है मतलब अगेन लाइक दिस 0 और 1 कुछ भी हो सकता है तो क्रॉस. देन आफ्टर अभी मैंने ये देख लिया. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे नेक्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन विच इज़ 1 to 0. प्रेजेंट 1 है नेक्स्ट 0 चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट 1 है नेक्स्ट 0 चाहिए मतलब एक ये हुआ. प्रेजेंट 1 है नेक्स्ट 0 चाहिए दूसरा ये हुआ. तो उसमें क्या है मतलब ये एक और दूसरा ये. तो उन दोनों केस में k है वो 1 है. सी k is 1 in both the cases. k is 1 so I'll be writing k is 1. now j is changing. It may be 0 or 1 so it will be cross. It can be 0 or 1 but k must be 1. now when present state is 1 next desired is 1. तो वैसा कॉम्बिनेशन कहाँ पे है. एक ये है प्रेजेंट 1 नेक्स्ट 1 फिर प्रेजेंट 1 नेक्स्ट स्टेट इज ऑल्सो 1. तो दूसरा ये हुआ. तो वहाँ पे देखो आप k है वो 0 है दोनों केस में तो मैं k को 0 लिख रही हूँ. देन आफ्टर इन वन केस j इज 0 इन वन केस j इज 1 सो आई विल बी राइटिंग 0 1 और क्रॉस. So this is how we can prepare the excitation table for the JK flip-flop. Now we will prepare excitation table for T flip-flop. So for that we need to have characteristic table first, then excitation. So in case of characteristic table, the inputs are known and we are deciding the output. In case of excitation table, we know the next state of the output and our question is inputs. Inputs are decided. So let us form the truth table first. Characteristic table भी बोल सकते हैं उसको. So T is input. Present state is Q of n. The next state is Q at n plus 1. 4 combinations. See, right now T input is inactive. It is 0, that means it is inactive. So it will not toggle the output. So output toggle नहीं होगा. तो फिर क्या होगा output? जो present है वही रहेगा. So जो present है वही रहेगा. So it will hold the values. Then in these two cases T is 1, that means T is active. So as per the name of the flip flop, toggle flip flop, so it will make the output toggle. अब वो कहाँ से टॉगल करेगा? टॉगल मतलब कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना. तो जो प्रेजेंट वैल्यू है उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएगा. प्रेजेंट वैल्यू 0 है तो नेक्स्ट 1 हो जाएगी. प्रेजेंट 1 है तो नेक्स्ट है वो 0 हो जाएगा. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द टॉगलिंग स्टेट और कॉम्प्लीमेंट स्टेट. नाउ लेट अस डिसाइड द एक्साइटेशन टेबल. एक्साइटेशन में हमारे पास आउटपुट्स के स्टेट्स हैं और हमें हमारा क्वेश्चन है टी, इनपुट डिसाइड करना है। 4 कॉम्बिनेशंस, प्रेजेंट इज 0, नेक्स्ट इज ऑल्सो 0, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ नॉट टॉगलिंग। इट इज़ नॉट टॉगलिंग मतलब हमारा जो टी इनपुट है वो इनएक्टिव है, तो उसको 0 बनाना पड़ेगा। देन यहाँ पे 0 है प्रेजेंट स्टेट, नेक्स्ट स्टेट 1 है चाहिए, तो क्या करना है, टॉगल करना है। टॉगल करना है मतलब टी को 1 कर दो, एक्टिव बना दो। प्रेजेंट स्टेट इज़ 1, नेक्स्ट इज 0, मतलब टॉगल करना है, टी को 1 बना दो। बोथ स्टेट्स आर 1 1, दैट मीन्स टी विल बी inactive. So this is how we can prepare the excitation table.